In this video, we are going to learn how we can enumerate AWS S3 buckets. S3 buckets are public cloud storage containers for objects stored in simple storage services. S3 buckets can be linked to file folders and object storage. Each object stored by bucket has three main components: the object content, the data, the object's metadata, which includes object size, name, last modified date and URL, and the object's unique identifier. Many websites use S3 buckets to save files on cloud. S3 bucket enumeration is the process of finding the S3 buckets and then listing objects in those buckets. So the first tool is Lazy S3, which is a Ruby script that allows to search for public S3 buckets. You can download the tool from GitHub. And then you can use it to enumerate buckets. So I am on GitHub page of Lazy S3. You can git clone this link. You can download the tool with git clone command. Now move into the Lazy S3 folder. Now use the command ruby, the script name, and the site name that you want to search for. Here I am searching for Parkwheels S3 buckets, and you can see that it has already found a few buckets. We can try to list down the content of any bucket directly from our browser. Just use the URL the bucket name .s3.amazonaws.com, and you can see that the access is denied on this particular bucket. Now let's search for another bucket. Here we are searching for Flaws.Cloud buckets, and it has already found the bucket. Let's try to browse it. If you get the warning, just ignore them. And you can see the contents of the bucket are publicly listed. Now let's just use the tool to search for certified hacker buckets. There is a bucket named certified hacker, and if you browse it, its listing is also available. Now let's see another tool called Enum, which is a Python script that is pre-built in Kali that allows to search for public S3 buckets and also list their contents. You can install the tool from Kali repositories with a given command. And then you can use the Cloud Enum tool to find and list down the contents of the bucket. The tool is available in Kali repositories. Open your Kali VM. Use the command sudo apt install Cloud Enum, and the tool will be installed. Once the tool is installed, you can check the help menu with cloud_enum-h. It will list down the user details and the flags that you can use. Now to search for certified hacker buckets, we can use the command cloud_enum-k certified hacker and disable Azure and Google search. So it has found the bucket and is also listing the contents automatically. Similarly, we can use it to list Flaws.Cloud bucket. Let's try it one more time with park wheels. So it has found the protected bucket. Now let's see the third tool, which is a browser extension on Chrome. To download the extension from the GitHub repo, install the extension as per the instructions, and whenever you will visit any website using S3 buckets, it will enumerate them. So I am on S3 bucket list GitHub page. Here complete installation and usage instructions are provided. So download the extension as a zip file. Now extract it. Now go into Chrome, select More Tools and Extensions. Ensure that the developer mode is on and select Load Unpacked and select your extracted folder, and your extension will be installed. So whenever you will visit any website, if it is using S3 buckets, it will list them there. So we are visiting a website called Park Wheels, but the extension is unable to find any S3 bucket. Now let's visit Flaws.Cloud. And you can see that it has found a bucket. If you browse through the website, whenever a new bucket is found, it is listed there. Similarly, we can visit HackerOne, and you can see that it has found some buckets. So in this video, we saw different enumeration tools for S3 buckets. I hope you like this video and see you in the next lecture.